Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
California suffered its first rolling blackouts in nearly 20 years because energy planners didn't take climate change into account and didn't line up the right power sources to keep the lights on after sundown, according to a damning self-evaluation released Tuesday by 3 state agencies. 6 October 2020.
Take our lead.
Sleep helps end blackouts because rest gives the body time to process the alcohol. Others, though, can digest liquor while still awake. That means a blackout could last minutes to even days. Although many people recover from blackouts, one episode can be fatal.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.